So we're gonna do a lug nut cover installation on these 18-wheeler tires on the rim. I'm gonna put these 4 on. And this is 1 out of 10 of lug nut covers. Because right now I have 4. These 2 plus these. Which I have to screw on tight so they won't come off on the road. And I still gotta do like 2, 4. I still have to do 6 more. So this might take a while. And my hands might get dirty, but I don't wash them.
It's a dirty job.
Because it's a dirty job. And like and subscribe and notification bell. And comment down who's better, Cristiano or Ronaldo.
The other way. Yeah.
So comment who's the GOAT, Ronaldo or Messi. If you think Ronaldo's the GOAT, write the word dog. If you think Messi's the GOAT, write lion. And if no one's the GOAT, put a smiley face. We're almost done, guys. Almost done. And we're done. Alright. And that's how you install lug nut caps on a tire. Thank you for watching, guys, and peace.